Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 14 Pro, and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here, sorry, not the settings, the camera. And right here we have to enter the settings. It doesn't really matter on which mode you will be. You can be on the photo, video mode, portrait mode. It's completely up to you. We have to take a look at this option bar at the top, and on the right we've got the settings. So let's tap. Then scroll all the way down to find the option Restore Defaults and simply tap on it. Tap on OK to confirm, and we just got back to the camera, and here we've got our evidence that the reset option worked, because our device needs the access to the location, and it asks us about it. And this is the first thing actually that will appear if you're opening the camera for the very first time, which means that we just successfully reset the camera. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.